And now you can see my front pocket is ready, my back pocket is ready, and I'm gonna finish this last middle pocket. You can see I attached already elastic to the mesh, and I gathered the mesh, which was longer than this one. I made it 16-inch wide so I could gather it, and when you have pockets, they have more space, so you can put there more stuff in it, like fabrics, fat quarters, tools, spools, etc. So I do 4 pockets in the center and 2 more. If you want to make them wider, you can make just 3, 1 here and 1 here, even 2 if you want to have more space in your mesh pocket. So I have already attached the sides. I stitched here and here, and now I'm gonna stitch 1, 2, 3 to make 4 small pockets, and it's 2-inch from the top. I also marked 2-inch from the top on the other side, which is going to be front, and I'm going to put here this elastic with already marked diagonal lines for the pencils, tools, the pens, etc. So I would start from here. I will stitch this edge, then go right here, then making a little pleat like this, moving it, stitch another one, then move a little more, stitch next one, move it here, giving a little more space for the loop, stitch again, move again, next one, next one. So I'm gonna stitch all these lines on the elastic to the fabric, and when it's finished, I'm also going to attach a zipper. Again, I'm going to put it front side to the front side, then cover to the lining and stitch from here to here, pulling out the tails. And we're almost done with the pockets.